there, I'm Robert, and in this project, you are going to be building a blinking lanyard medallion just like the one I'm wearing. Now, the kit contains everything that you need to assemble the circuit. So it's got the printed circuit boards, all the resistors, capacitors, LEDs, button, battery, everything that you need to put the kit together. However, you will need a soldering iron and some wire cutters in order to put this project together. You can buy those from a place like Amazon, or if you want to buy a kit from us, we have a great small tool set that includes everything you need: the soldering iron, wire cutters, needle nose pliers, safety glasses, and a little starter roll of the solder. So let's get started.